How to back up your WordPress website. Backing up your website is an important job in managing your WordPress websites, and ManageWP makes that job a whole lot easier. Having a reliable backup tool helps you keep your website secured. You can find the backup tool by selecting the site. Another way is from your single site dashboard by tapping Backups from the left sidebar menu. Hover over the site thumbnail and select View Backups. Also, you can see the Backups widget on your single site dashboard. Now it's easier than ever to back up your site. In the Backup tool, activate Automatic Backups and you will be able to see the progress in %. In the Overview section, you're able to restore, download backup, or use the backup to clone your site. Please note that if you choose to download backup, notification will appear with the link for download when the zip gets created. The Content tab is allowing you to see the backup content and download individual files and folders or the database. In the Backup Settings tab, you're able to select the backup frequency, enable external destinations, and exclude/include files and folders. Tab Restore Settings is optional, and it has to be used for restoring process if the site is not reachable to ManageWP. You can relax while we are backing up your sites.